Keep watching and you will be able to make this incredible sustained bass. But before continuing, I invite you to take a look at my Sample Pack Ultimate Dubstep Sample Pack. Link in the description. Let's start by opening Xfer Serum. We selected Recm S5 wavetable. We adjust the wavetable position. And we add LFO1. Here we select in envelope mode. We go to the filters section and select HP12. We add flow 1 to the cutoff. Turn on the sub bass. Add noise. Now we go to the FX panel section. Here we're going to turn on the distortion, multi-band compression, and also, we are going to use another filter. In this case HN12. We will also use LFO1 in cutoff, but here press the Shift and Alt keys so that the LFO is bidirectional. And this is the final result. Great. If you liked, subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check some samples and presets on description. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.